You gonna want seconds after that burp?
That's why I like this age, because you'll burp on your own.
Mm-hmm. Look, you got a little freckle on your toes.
I'm probably going to put some terramycin in their eyes, too, just to be on the safe side after their bath.
Yeah.
A couple of them kind of got that weird wonky. Like you. Yeah.
I'm gonna have way too much video with these guys, and I do not care. It's so perfect. You're like a puppy. You don't latch onto anything.
We're hungry, and we know you got milk. We know you got milk. We can smell it.
There's no milk in my fingers, I promise. He says, not for lack of trying. She said, look what I can do. Hi, small fry. You snuggling. You found a mama. You did find a mama. No, you may not climb my leg. Watch out, small fry. Let go. Let go. Let go. Oh my goodness. They're so bougie. There's a bougie.
Purring.
Those ear wiggles. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't. Too perfect.
You got a yucky eye, or are you just making weird faces? I'm just making weird faces.
That is a hand, Goober. You cannot latch onto that.
Ouch!
Who's spiky?
Oh, nails. You gotta cut those nails.
Well, if you've got a trimmer, I'll clean their. I'll trim the nails.
Hey, you gonna eat my thumb?